Volume number 60. Simple past tense. Sarala atita kale. The simple past tense. Sarala atita kale. අතීතයේ සිදු වූ හෝ සිදු කළ ක්‍රියාව ප්‍රකාශ කිරීමේදී සරල අතීත කාලය යොදා ගැනේ. මේ වාක්‍ය බලන්න. නිමල් made a kite. නිමල් සරුංගලයක් සෑදුවේය. Mother cooked rice. අම්මා බත් ඉව්වාය. They watch television. ඔවුන් රූපවාහිනිය නැරඹූහ. I cried bitterly. I cried bitterly. මම තදින් ඇඬුවෙමි. He bought a new shirt. He bought a new shirt. ඔහු අලුත් කමිසයක් මිලයට ගත්තා. හොඳයි. මීළඟ පාඩමින් අපි the past continuous tense සරල අතීත ප්‍රවර්තන කාලය පිළිබඳ ඉගෙන ගනිමු. අපි දැන් සුපුරුදු පරිදි ඉංග්‍රීසි වචන ඉගෙන ගනිමු. 331 explanation පැහැදිලි කිරීම. 332 glory මහිමය. 333 heritage උරුමය. 334 introduction හැඳින්වීම. 335 interpretation අර්ථ නිරූපණය. 336 undoubtedly සැකයකින් තොරව. 337 finest හොඳම. 338 island දූපත දිවයින. 339 world ලෝකය. 340 word වචනය. 341 travelers සංචාරකයන්. 342 traveler සංචාරකයා. 343 travel ගමන්. 344 court අධිකරණය. 345 visit සංචාරය. 346 clergy පූජක පක්ෂය. 347 century සියවස. 348 paradise පාරාදීසය. 349 fountains උල්පත් දිය උල්පත්. 350 gear ආම්පන්න. 351 in addition අතිරේකව. 352 hear අහන්න. 353 sound ශබ්දය. 354 location ස්ථානය. 355 ocean සාගරය. 356 sea මුහුද. 357 situated පිහිටා ඇත. 358 between අතරමැදි. 359 northern latitude උතුරු අක්ෂාංශ. 360 eastern longitudes නැගෙනහිර දේශාංශ. Let's try to learn using video as we learned in the last lesson. Children, how do you learn English with movies? Some people try to learn with movies, therefore they use subtitle, but that is not a real way, because when you use subtitle which is missing your listening skill, you can practice reading skill after practice listening skill. Then first target to listening, second understand as much you can. Listening is effective way to learning. So today I want to share with you a new approach. It is very effective for listening and improve your vocabulary. Also no need to watch movie twice. Actually it is boring. Then are you ready to learn about this approach? Don't worry about subtitle. We will give you later with our further lessons. Okay, then what do you need to do? First, listening. Second, understanding. Are you ready? Okay, then here we go.
You are so literal-minded.
Welcome to a typical Saturday afternoon in my LBE. That's Life Before Europe. My best friends, Lucy and Jack, are helping me write another one of our so far not hugely appreciated songs. I sit here and write the lyrics while they argue about them and try and come up with the tunes. It looks chaotic, mainly because it is. But it's kind of fun, and sometimes we even actually finish a song.
We don't write based on opinion polls, we write based on what we feel.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Then why didn't you just say that?
I just did.
Excuse me, creative
You
ones.
cannot interrupt now. We are almost there.
That's what you said 2 weeks ago. How come I'm still hearing the same tune?
Ben, you can't rush creativity.
Yeah, well, sorry guys, but creativity's gonna have to go on hold. Mum wants to see us.
What for?
Well, if I knew that, I wouldn't have to drag you out here, would I?
Since when does Mum ask to see us? If she's got something to say, she just drops it on us at dinner or something.
Stop sounding so paranoid. She probably just wants to tell us how fabulous we are.
In your dreams.
Sorry to pull you away from your friends, Sam, but we need to have a small talk.
What's the problem?
There's no problem. Quite the reverse, actually.
I've won the lottery!
What?
What?
That's unbelievable.
How much did you get?
Not that lottery. A much better one.
There's a better one?
Will you stop teasing? What's going on?
That research grant in Switzerland I applied for, it's come through.
Oh, Brian, that's amazing.
Cool. How good is that?
4 whole months for me to be up close and personal with some of the planet's nastiest microbes.
Maybe not so cool.
Get out, it'll be a research scientist paradise.
Yes, we are going to have a great time.
Sorry, did you say we?
That's right. I'm going too. We haven't had a holiday together for years. It'll be a second honeymoon.
In a laboratory?
It's in paradise. Have you ever seen a prettier little town than this?
Wow. It's gorgeous.
Almost jealous. This calls for a celebration. Let's break out those chocolates you got for your birthday.
Hey, get your hands off those.
Hang on a minute, you two. Aren't you forgetting something?
As in...
As in how this will affect you two?
Oh, you don't have to worry about us. You just go and have a good time with the bugs. And we'll look after the house as if it's our own.
It is our own.
I know that. You know what I mean.
Yeah, we do, but we'd also like you to have a seat while we explain.
Explain what?
Look, we know how capable you both are, but unfortunately the law doesn't permit people of your age to live on your own.
Especially for 4 months.
You're not going to get someone to come and look after us, are you?
Honestly, we don't need that. We'd hate it.
No, it's something much more exciting.
Exciting? How exciting? Exactly.
Germany?
Germany.
Germany.
Why Germany? We have this kind of distant cousin there.
He's a relative of our father's.
I didn't know Brian was German.
Not Brian, a real father. Before he died, obviously.
I still don't get it. Why send you all the way to Germany when you could just come and stay at my place?
Oh, we could. Except the fact is, my dear Lucy, you've got no culture.
Forget him, Luce.
I'm sorry?
It's true. Mum said so herself.
She did not. And you are the last person to bag anyone about having no culture.
Our parents think we need to escape the narrow, insular confines of parochial Australian suburbia.
But we're not narrow and insular, are we?
Don't ask me. I don't even know what that means.
The point is, the tickets are booked, the stay's confirmed, everything's organised.
But won't this cost a bomb? How will you pay for it?
That's exactly what I asked. Won't this cost a bomb? How will you pay for it?
Out of the savings for your education.
But this isn't an education.
You won't get a certificate for it, but you will get an education in a broader sense.
What does that mean?
That's exactly what I asked. What does that mean?
You won't know till you've experienced it.
You couldn't be a little more precise, could you?
What if it's terrible? I don't want to experience something terrible.
Oh, come on, it'll be an adventure. You're going to have more fun than you could possibly imagine.
You know what? I hate to say this, but I'm actually envious.
Lucy.
I am. I'd love to spend 4 months in another country. I think it'd be amazing.
Yeah, okay, but you don't need to say that. I mean, we are losing a songwriting partner here, you know.
Oh, yeah, but not for a while, though. Like, when do you leave?
The day after tomorrow?
What? What are we going to do about our assignment? We're supposed to submit it in 6 weeks.
Mum spoke to the school. They've agreed to an extension till the end of the year.
She's thought of everything, hasn't she?
Everything. Jack, Lucy and I do music class together. The good thing is that we can work on our songs. The bad thing is that we actually have to finish something in order to pass. We aren't exactly what you'd call great finishers.
4 months is such a long time. It's going to be hard without you around.
But I will be around. We'll still talk, send notes, sort files. I'll still keep working on things while I'm away.
But it won't be the same though, will it? I'm so going to miss you.
Me too. But hey, 4 months is nothing. 4 months is just, well, you know.
A lifetime?
The good thing about leaving for a trip quickly is that you don't have time to dwell on any sad feelings. Come to think of it, you don't have time to dwell on any feelings. Before we knew it, we were out the door and on our way to... Actually, we weren't really sure what we were on our way to.
Do you really think it's going to be an adventure?
It better be. Otherwise, we'll sue.
Not even you would sue your own mother.
You're right. We'll trade her in for a new laptop. A lot less paperwork.
So, here we are, 1 week into our adventure. At least, I think it's an adventure. It's definitely different to anything else I've ever done, that's for sure.
Back to work, everyone. Lily wants to get started.
Sorry, gotta go. When Princess Lily calls, no one disobeys.
Ben, that includes you. Please?
Sorry, Marcus. I don't think I can make it. My head's killing me.
Stand by for one of my brother's more embarrassing performances.
You have to get the dummy ready for take 2.
I can barely move.
It's okay, Ben. I'll help you.
Are you sure? I hate to burden you.
Honestly, it's not a problem. Here, lean on me. We'll go together. Comfortable?
In your hands, I couldn't be anything else.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Silence, please.
It's okay. I'll be all right. You go.
I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
Helping you. Yeah, put your arm around my shoulder.
Actually, Marcus, my head's much better. Thanks.
So quickly.
Yeah, it's an oxygen thing, you know? Now I'm full of it.
You're full of it, all right? You are such a fake.
Sam, I've just had a very traumatic experience. The least you could do is give me some sympathy.
Yes, the crew are here, finally. What about Ben and Sam?
They should be with you any minute.
I don't want them here, Marcus. They're supposed to be up on the balcony. Where's Daddy?
He's still with us tourists.
Well, find him, will you? And tell him we need him now.
On my way.
Sam, why are you here?
Marcus said
Never mind. Why isn't Ben with you?
He's gone to the loo.
He's had the whole lunch break to go to the loo. Please, up on the balcony. All of you. Amateurs. I'm surrounded by amateurs.
Oh, I'm sure this will interest you. The Princess Therese, in order to escape the clutches of the Duke of Saxony, threw herself off the castle walls into the moat below. Let us now move forward 50 years in time to when the von Hasenburgs became one of the most famous families in all Europe. You'll notice some extremely fascinating changes in the architectural styles. Here is a particularly marvelous example of what I'm talking about. Look at the detail in this ceiling. I'm sure you've never seen anything like this before. Hello? Hello?
need this. We'll help the princess in distress. Please hurry, we'll start to lose daylight soon. Have you seen the Baron?
No, sorry.
Are you sure we have enough tape left?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Where is everyone?
Come here, my love.
Oh no, Evil Duke! I will never be yours!
There's Sam now.
Good. Stand by, please.
Standing by.
You haven't seen two particularly obnoxious-looking teenagers, have you?
No one.
Pity. I was hoping they'd fall downstairs.
Lily wants to shoot the next shot now. Are you ready?
Why not?
Roll camera.
Rolling.
Action! Brilliant! Did you get it?
Got it.
That's what I call a real fall.
I think that was a real fall. Help! Please!
You have to help him. He can't swim.
What?
Help! Please!
Ben!
Take it easy, I've got the extra weights.
You have to help the guy in the water.
Help! Please!
I'm not doing that. I'm not even in costume.
Forget the film. He can't swim. You have to help him. Hurry.
Help! Please help! I can't swim, please!
This is getting better and better. Are you getting all this?
Getting you.
Please help! Help! Please help somebody! You're okay. Just relax. Actually, Lily, this rescue isn't historically true.
Marcus, it's the drama of the history that matters, not the facts.
Is that really ethical?
Who cares? Everyone else does it. Stop being such a fuddy-duddy, Marcus. I can't believe it. This is more than we could hope for in our wildest dreams.
I'm afraid not, darling. That ghastly boy's father is one of Germany's top lawyers. He says he's going to sue us for everything we own and have me sent to prison.
What?
He says it's our fault that he fell.
It wasn't our fault. He shouldn't even have been on the balcony.
Unfortunately, he doesn't see it that way.
This is terrible. What can we do?
Leave it to me. I'll talk to him.
Good stuff, Ben. You were great.
Not bad for a faker, eh?
Well, you have to admit, you were laying it on pretty thick with Sophie.
True. But you can't blame me for trying.
You're terrible. You know that, don't you?
Nobody's perfect.
So, we have a deal then?
Okay.
What happened? What did he say?
There won't be any problems.
But how can you be so sure?
I pointed out that he's now the star of the climax to a film that will be seen for many years to come. He agreed to drop charges if we provide him with a free copy of the film once it's finished.
Well, that's brilliant. Thank you.
Marcus, I had no idea you could be so forceful. I'm truly impressed.
Thank you. When will the film be finished, by the way?
Oh, this year, next year, maybe the one after. You can't rush creativity, Marcus.
So welcome to our world for the next 4 months. The question is, can we survive it? There's only one answer to that. Watch this space.